Let me show you how to get a Wise debit card. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you travel or trying to pay online or withdraw some cash, Wise can be a great option. In order for you to order or get a Wise debit card, you just need to head over to the app of Wise, and inside you'll see a section called card. Just tap on the card section. Once you tap on the card section, you're going to see this screen. Just tap on order your card. Fill in and create a pin that you want to add in for your card, and also choose how your name appears on the card. Either if you want it name after surname or surname before your name. So choose your option and tap on continue, and then add any payment method so that you can pay for this card. Wise takes around a one-time payment of around $9 for you to purchase this card, and it takes around 7 to 14 business days for your card to arrive. So just follow these on-screen prompts and then make your payment, and your card will be ready and shipped at your address. So that's all there is to get a Wise debit card. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.